feature. I got something that I like to teach ya. I be dripping that magic sauce, and they be staring like, who's the boss? Bonjour, hola, konnichiwa, and to the old say au revoir. You've been waiting for a really long while. The time is now, don't turn it down. I got a feeling that you got a feeling that this is gonna be good. I got a feeling that you got a feeling that this is gonna be big. Say hello to the new world winner. I'm the queen of them all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to save your edges while also slaying a super natural lace front wig. This unit is from HerGivenHair, and I'm just taking it out of the packaging along with the satin bag that it comes with, and this definitely comes in handy when it comes to preserving your moisture in your units, and it's also really great for storage. So now let's get into this unit, y'all. So this is what the unit looks like right out of the package. It is a 13x6 Swiss lace front wig. It comes with 6 inches of parting space. The knots have already been pre-bleached and the hairline has already been pre-plucked. All the work has pretty much been done for you. All that's left to do is define the curls, and we'll get into that in a moment. But this unit looks so natural right out of the package. This unit is in my favorite texture, which is the Coily texture. And one thing I love about HerGivenHair is that their texture is consistent from root to end. So y'all already know that I'm excited to try this unit on. So I'm gonna take off my head wrap and see what this unit is working with. But before I do that, I do want to show you all the inside construction. It does come with combs on the inside and an elastic band, and this is gonna come in handy when it comes to saving those edges. Ooh, child, look at this color. This color looks so beautiful, and the texture looks great right out of the package. But y'all know we need to define these curls, so I'm going to co-wash the hair using my 7-in-1 Total Miracle by Aussie. I've already applied that to the hair, and this is what it's looking like. I am going to part it off just to clean up the part, and I'm going to use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush in an effort to define the curls, make them pop, and they're going to look so much more juicy after this. So now that we've rinsed out the conditioner, the curls look amazing. I'm just going to squeeze out the excess water, put the unit on my mannequin head, and begin applying my stylers.
I'm fresh, I'm flossy, I'm blessed, I'm glossy. Can't hold a candle to me, cause they can't handle me. I'm living, I'm winning, not timid. They giving me a standing ovation, cause I am amazing. Summertime, I'm sipping wine, I'm looking fine. Moving so fast, collecting that cash, killing like Casanova. I'm Hercules, super jeans, silky skin like so serene. No Photoshop flossing, the fix that I'm feeling. I'm winning, I'm living the dream, yeah, kill it. You know that I'm in it. They call me a catch cause I go up and get it. OBJ swag, get me a bag. Haters collapse, now you know all the stats. I'm top of the class, won't knock me up, can't knock me off. They mobbing me, they wanna bees. I get the cash monopoly, cause when I sing, they give me the keys.
Alright y'all, so now that I've allowed the hair to air dry overnight, the unit looks absolutely phenomenal. One key to a great melted lace look or a flawless wig install, whether that be with wig glue or glueless, is styling and setting your unit beforehand. It makes the process so much easier, and y'all, I'm telling you, I'm gonna get to the goods in a moment, but this install was so quick and easy. Now before we get into installing this wig, I'm gonna take it off the mannequin head. I want to show you guys that it is transparent lace. It doesn't have any color or anything right now, so I'm just going to make sure that it blends and matches my scalp really well. So I'm going to be using my 3 Face Creator by Ruby Kiss. I'm going to apply that to the lace. This is going to help to tint the lace so that when I put it on my head, it best matches my skin tone.
I'm fresh, I'm flossy, I'm blessed, I'm glossy. Can't hold a candle to me, cause they can't handle me. I'm living, I'm winning, not timid. They giving me a standing ovation, cause I am amazing.
Alright, so now that the unit is all prepped, I'm going to get into some natural hair wig prep. This is how I always prep my hair under a wig. I put it in 4 braids. I'm going to also put on a stocking cap and make sure that this stocking cap is a neutral tone. And this stocking cap is actually not dark enough, so I am going to add some foundation to the stocking cap in a moment, and then I'm going to begin to install my wig. Y'all, this wig looks so bomb, but what I realized is that because the lace is so transparent and it's also really thin, invisible Swiss lace, you're gonna see that stocking cap peeking through, so I need to cut that band. Now, instead of doing the ball cap method, I'm just gonna simply cut the band in the area where my hairline peaks, so you don't necessarily have to cut the entire parameter, but just like that little section in the front, and that's going to be enough to keep that from peeking through the lace. After completing this part of the process, just cut off the excess on the side. And in the past, what I would typically do is just go about spraying some freeze spray under the section where I cut the band, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm trying to avoid wig glue, gels, and sprays and things like that. So I'm going to try to do a glueless install. So I just took the clips off the side and I'm pulling it down just to confirm that what I did was a good idea. So cutting that band is perfect, especially if you're going to wear your unit in a middle part. You're not going to be able to see that, and the scalp area looks awesome. So now what I want to do is show you guys what the hairline looks like on me. Now I do have a low hairline, so that's generally an issue with most units, but there is enough coverage. I'm not going to be securing this unit down with an adhesive, so I'm going to show you guys how I wear the unit glueless, but first I need to cut the lace off. Girl knows about it, can't get enough. No, I can't do without you. Spending all my time thinking about you. I think I got a rush on you. Yep, I got a rush on you. Alright, so now that we've cut the lace off, I did notice that the wig cap underneath was sliding, but I'm going to fix that in a moment. But right now I'm just adding volume and shape to the unit. I am going to pick it and also use my fingers in order to comb and just kind of fluff it out a little bit in order to give it the shape that I want, and then I'll come back and show you guys what the next step is going to be. Goodbye to my lonely days. I'm so high, I'll do whatever it takes, yeah, to keep you by my side. No, I can't deny. Think I got a rush on ya. Yep, I got a rush on ya. The glimmer in your eyes gets me every time. It shines so bright, it leaves me blind. I could lose myself inside your mind, but I don't really mind it. Alright, so now it's time to fix the problem with the wig cap and to ensure that the unit is secure on our head. So I'm just going to take the unit off, and I remembered that I had the wig fixed, so I thought, let me try this again. This is supposed to be a great alternative to using adhesives. It's a really comfortable, lightweight, breathable silicone material, and it has these little buds on it, which is supposed to grip your unit into place. They also state on the website that it's also roller coaster proof, but I haven't had the best experiences with this in the past, and maybe there's something that I'm doing wrong. I don't know. I do feel like I got the wrong color though. I don't believe in the past they had different colors, but now they have a selection of other colors. They now offer different skin tone colors, so that's really good. So I think I just need to buy a different one and get my scalp color, and that would be better because I don't like that you can see this clear, transparent little silicone thingamajig through the lace. It just doesn't look good. And I still felt like it kind of was sliding. Maybe it's because I didn't tighten the elastic band enough. I'm not sure, but I took this one off and decided to go with something else. So what I decided to try is a wig grip, and this is not just any wig grip. This is the one by Milano, and it's really, really awesome because it does have lace in the area where the parting is. This will allow the stocking cap to peek through, which is going to give it a really natural, seamless look while also holding my unit in place. This one does have Velcro in the back, so I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to put it around my head, and you want to position it where your part is. Now, because my unit is in a middle part, I'm just going to pull my stocking cap up, place it where it belongs, and later you're going to see me shift it in order to do a side part. So I'm just going to do this now, and then I'm going to install the unit again.
Think I got a rush on ya, and every day feels brand new all over again. On ya, crush on ya, yep, I got a rush on ya. I feel like I'm in high school all over again. On ya, crush on ya, yep, I got a rush.
Y'all, at this point, I am thrilled. The lace looks so good. The unit lays flat, and I didn't have to use glue or gel. So now I'm just going to spray some products on the hair in order to add shine. I've mentioned these in previous videos. So I'm going to start with this Grow Spray. And this is an anti-itch spray that you usually spray on braided hair, but I like to spray it on my wigs. I'm also going to use my Icy Fantasia spray in a moment. And y'all, it's going to look so fabulous. It already looks fabulous. Don't you agree?
Whenever you smile at me, I lose feeling all in my hands and feet. So distracted, I can't keep track of time. Think I got a rush on ya. Yep, I got a rush on ya. The glimmer in your eyes gets me every time. Every time. Shine so bright, it leaves me blind. Leaves me blind. I could lose myself inside your mind. Your heart is where I find it. Think I got a rush on ya, and every day feels brand new all over again. On ya, crush on ya, yep, I got a rush on ya. I feel like I'm in high school all over again. On ya.
Wow, new year, new hair. Who this? This hair is so bomb. It looks so luscious and beautiful, y'all. I love how big it is. I love the length. It's in length 18. It looks so gorgeous, and this color is so bold and stunning. The name of this unit is Hearing Your Curls wig. And y'all, I kind of feel like the name needs to be different. I'm thinking golden curls, like Golden Girls, you get it? Like, it's so golden and rich and beautiful. I never thought in a million years that I'd be wearing this type of color. I always thought it was for lighter skin tones, but it looks so good with darker skin as well. I love it. It's so beautiful. And get into this texture, y'all. It looks so awesome. I told you guys, the Coily texture is the very best for me. It's the best. Y'all, I'm so happy with how this turned out. It's so secure on my head. I can toss and move, and it's not going anywhere. And just like the headband wigs, guys, this would be considered a grab and go wig using this method. It's glueless. I can easily take it off at night. I'm going to shift the part now to show you all what that looks like, but that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed learning a different method to install your wigs that will help to save your edges. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box for all the links and specifications. This unit is currently discounted until the 20th, I believe, so head over to the website for the discount code. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Let me know which way you like it best. Do you like it with the side part, middle part? I look forward to your feedback. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial.
Say hello.